In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add viewer count in OBS Studio. If you want to display your live viewer count directly on your stream layout, OBS makes it possible by using a browser source. This is a simple setup, and once it's added, it can become a really useful part of your stream overlay. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can get it working without confusion. Start by opening your OBS Studio app. Make sure you're in the scene where you want the viewer count to appear, because anything you add will be placed into the currently selected scene. If needed, take a second to confirm you're editing the right one before moving on. Next, go to the Sources panel. This is the section where OBS keeps track of all the visual elements in your scene, like your camera, game capture, images, text, and browser-based widgets. Since a viewer count is usually added through an external widget link, this is where you'll begin creating it. In the Sources area, click on the plus icon to add a new source. This opens the list of source types you can insert into your scene. From that list, click on Browser. A browser source allows OBS to display content from a web link directly inside your stream scene, which is exactly what you need for a viewer count widget. After selecting Browser, enter a name for the source. Give it a clear name that makes sense to you, something simple so it's easy to identify later if you need to edit or remove it. This is especially helpful if you use multiple browser sources in the same project. Once you've named it, click OK. That will open the browser source settings window, where you can connect the source to the widget you want to display. Now, copy the widget URL and paste it into the URL field in the browser source settings. This link is what tells OBS what content to load. Be careful to copy the full link exactly as provided so the widget displays correctly. If the viewer count doesn't appear later, this is one of the first things to double check. When everything looks correct, click OK again to confirm. OBS will then add the viewer count to your scene. From there, you can reposition it and resize it on the canvas so it fits nicely into your stream layout. Try placing it somewhere visible but not distracting, so your audience can see it without it taking attention away from your main content. And that's it. You've successfully added a viewer count in OBS Studio. Once it's in place, you can always come back to the browser source settings later if you need to update the widget URL or make adjustments.